Hello, good morning. Today I'm here to talk two things. The one is acceptance, and another one is being aware of yourself, or we say get the awareness to yourself. And what Mohanji says is that means get the awareness to your constitution, which is your physicality, your intelligent and emotional level. Just imagine you are in a conversation with someone, and the conversation is about a topic where you started getting agitated or not comfortable, and suddenly the person says, "Come on, just accept yourself. Don't get stressed. Accept yourself the way you are, or get the awareness to yourself. Something like that." And you really don't know anything about this aspect. What is this? What is acceptance? What this person is talking about? Then what will happen? You will get more confused. The first thing, you're already agitated because of certain topics, and on that he's talking about this. Then total confusion, isn't it? So I thought let's talk about this in easier way. We are in we'll take this example. You are in a conversation with someone, and the topic is about let's say politics, or about the current situation, this COVID-19. And you are totally in disagreement with the other person. So then we have two options. The one thing is just leave it, or the other thing is um, response properly. But sometimes the third option, which is or which shouldn't be available, is reacting. So we just start getting anxious, agitated, angry, and then we actually waste so much of our energy, our especially our emotional and mental strength. um, so the main thing what we should do is we should calm ourselves, and we should tell ourselves, okay, this person is talking about this corona situation or anything, and if I am not agree with that, then what am I going to do? Am I going to change his point of view, what he's talking about? So the answer is no. So what I'm telling you is, ask yourself this question before getting angry, that okay, that is his point of view, and this is not at all possible to change that person's the whole concept, because that concept doesn't happen instantly. It's like building up slowly and slowly. It's from childhood till this moment. So what is the point of argumenting with that person and wasting our energy, isn't it? So we should ask these certain questions to ourselves. Should I argue with this person? Is it possible to change the nature of that person? And the next important question is that, is it possible to change myself, to change my thought pattern? Isn't it? If you ask these questions, then you will feel like, okay, let this person talk. If he wants to talk, let him. I will listen. And maybe after listening the whole thing, I will answer him in brief, and that is also very calmly. So when that calmness will happen, when you are stable in the sense you are with yourself. Again, what does that mean? That you are thinking very naturally and in a neutral way. At that moment, you are not too emotional, both ways, not angry and not at all like too much happiness. You are in neutral level. And when you are in that neutral state, then your response is very perfect. Try to do this. If you are at certain situation, just try yourself to be with yourself, with total awareness and with total acceptance. So this is the acceptance. Okay, I can't change that person, let me change, let me introspect and let me think how am I going to respond and not react. Reaction in the sense you are not at all in your neutral state. Too much anger and you are reacting. Better to be neutral, just calm yourself down. Otherwise, it happens sometimes, at that particular situation, we just argue like nothing. And after some time, when we become calm and quiet, then we may feel like, oh, why did I say that? Then again, what happens? Guilt. So, emotions after emotions, layers after layers. Why do we need it? So, better just think once or twice before reacting, so that reacting or that reaction will become in response. So, give yourself some time, and that time is being aware of yourself. Okay, I think I tried my best to explain this being awareness and acceptance in in a short way. Let's see in next video. I will again try to explain few other things in by giving an example. Okay, have a good day and try to do this. Once you do that, then you will feel this is really good. This is working. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.